Solve the following simultaneous equations. So we have 2y minus 3x is equals to 5. We can put it as number 1. 5x minus 6y equals 21. Put it as number 2. Alright, so there are various ways to solve algebraically, either elimination or by substitution. Okay, so in this case, we can try and use elimination by making y the same. So 2 and 6, make it to a 6y. To do that, you need to times 3 here. And you'll have a 6y minus 9x equals to a 15. Okay, so the second equation is at the bottom here. Okay, this becomes new equation number 3. This is still second equation. Alright, so the first thing, everything here you times 3, so that you get 6y and 6y. Okay, now when one is positive, another one is negative. Both are different signs. You need to add the equation. So 3 plus 2. So 6y minus 9x plus 5x minus 6y equals to 15 plus 21. Okay, so 6y minus 6y, no more y's. Negative 9x plus 5x is a negative 4x equals to 36. X is 36 over negative 4, x is negative 9. Okay, we found x very nicely. Now we can find y. How do we find y? We can use this and input it into any of the equations, 1, 2 or even 3. Okay, let's use equation 1. So we'll have 2y minus 3x equals to 5. 2y minus 3 times negative 9 equals to 5. 2y plus 27 equals to 5. 2y equals to 5 minus 27. 2y is equals to negative 22, and y is just negative 22 over 2, negative 11. Alright, so we got x here and we got y at the bottom.